You're going to love the 2013 Infiniti G37X. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, a power seat, heated seats, and much more. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.